Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2012 Hyundai Genesis. We're doing some front brake pads. These are a pretty standard European style design for this. This customer got just to the point where they need to get pads before the rotors start getting eaten up. This just started to happen, so they'll be able to get away with this. But, alright, so here we go. Take out this little clip here, take out this little clip here. You can use needle nose, get in there, yank it right out. This pin right here will then pull this way, this one will pull out. This little spring clip here will come out. Once that part is done right there, then I would use a flathead screwdriver to wedge in between the rotor and the pad to compress the caliper back in. Do it on one side only. Press the caliper, the dual piston, all the way back. Take the old pad out, lube up the new pad, put the new pad in, slide it in, and then go do the other side. And just compress the caliper in all the way with the dual pistons on both top and bottom. That way you will put the new pad in, same thing, lube this one up, put it in, going back together. Put your first slide pin in, wrap it's got a little clip like right here, so it's just going to go up underneath. The first one's going to be not so much of a problem. And the next one, you have to push down on this end in order to push the pin so that it goes around right there, and then push it all the way through to the other side, and then put your two clips that you took off back in. And that is pretty much all it for the front. So I'll be doing another video here shortly for the rear and a couple other items on this vehicle. Any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.